Okay, good morning student. Today in this session we are learning about the stem cells. Stem cells research. Okay, depending upon the source, depending upon the source, depending upon the source. Okay, it is a two types. One is a embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. It is a two types. One is a embryonic stem cells embryonic stem cells and another one is a adult stem cells. Adult stem cells. We have to see the first one, embryonic stem cells. First one is a embryonic stem cells. What is embryonic stem cells? In the development of the embryonic stage, we have to see the male gamete and female gamete fusion together, it will form the zygote. See here, male gamete and female gamete. Female gamete. So it is a fusion together. See, we have to here male and female gamete. See, sperm and ovum. Okay, see, both are cross productions and here form the zygote. Here form the fusion together, it will form the zygote. Zygote is a forming. After formation of the zygote, what will happen? Multiple division. Means it is a meiotic division is a occurring. Which division is occurring? Meiotic. See? Sorry, mitotic division is occurring. Mitotic division is occurring. See, mitotic division is occurring and here form the finally embryo. Finally forming the embryo. Embryo is a forming. See, this is about the, see what say, depending upon the source, so it is a, one is a embryonic stage, another one is a adult stem stage. See, it is a embryonic stage. It is a stem cells is forming the male gamete and female gamete together fusion, it will form the zygote. See, after formation of the zygote, it is a division is occurring. Say, it is a mitotic division. It is a finally forming the embryo. See, from the 4th day of conceptions, cell differentiated start. When start the differentiated? See, from the, what said? From 14th day of conception. From 14th day of conceptions. See what will happen here. See, cell differentiated start. See here forming the cell differentiated so it is a cell is a differentiated is a forming. Next we have to see the start here. Starting here, start. See how differentiated forming. So it is a, for example, some cells is a forming the bone cells, some cells is a forming the hepatic cells, some cells is a forming the nerve cells. This like number of cells is a forming here. For example, we have to see the some cells is a forming the osteocytes. And some cells forming the hepatocytes. Some cells is forming the nerve cells. See this like forming. So it is a, for example, osteocytes means bone cells. Bones is a forming. Some cells is a forming the, it is a liver cells. Hepato means liver cells. Means, see it is a, each cell has a specific functions. So it is a distributing in the 14th day of conception. Cell differentiated is a started. Cells differentiated is a started. See, we are calling the, this is the cell differentiated started here only. See, once depending upon the source, it is a embryonic stem cells, adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells is a fusion with male and female gametes, and it will form the zygote, and it is a mitotic division. It will form the embryo. After formation of the embryo in the 14th days, cell differentiation is started. So it is a osteocytes is a forming and hepatocytes. See, next nerve cells also forming. See here giving the, these cells is a differentiations, and each and every cells has a specific function. Okay, next we have to see the here, see embryonic stem cells can formed. So it is a 220 different types of cells in human body. See how many cells is it forming? Embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells is a can formed 220 different types of cells in human body. Different types of cells in human body. See how many cells is there? 220 different types of cells is present in human body. Next we have to see the what said here, animal cells. The study and function of the plant and animals is a cytology. Stem cells. So it is a stem cells is a replications. Stem cells is a replication is a occurring. See we have to see the ones, this one. Okay, here we have to see the cytology or cell biology. Cytology. See this cytology. Okay. See this is a cytology. The cytology is converting into the stem cells. Stem cells. These stem cells. These stem cells. For example, we have to see this one. Okay. See these stem cells is a rapidly replications. See number of cells is a replicate itself. Replicate itself. And these cells is a pluripotency. So it is a, here is a forming the pluripotency. We have to see the here number of cells is forming this like. Number of cells is forming this like. We have to see that this like number of cells is forming. Next, pluripotency, different kind of cells is forming. See here is forming the different kinds of cells. Different kinds of cells. Okay. See for example, we have to see the nerve cells. See here. See this is a nerve cells. See this one nerve cell. Okay. Next, this is a blood cells. Blood cell. Next, we have to see the cardiac cells. Cardiac cells. Cardiac cells. Muscle cells. See this one, muscle cells. See this like cells is forming. These rise to the body organ and tissues. These cells rise to body organs and tissue. Which cells? These cells, nerve cells, blood cells, cardiac cells. See these all are body cells and tissues. Cytology and pluripotency, different kind of cells. Here we have to see the different kind of cells is there. Nerve cells has a different functions. Blood cells has a different functions. Cardiac cells has a different functions. Muscle cell also is a different functions. See this like stem cells. Next we have to see the, are you getting this one? We have to see that it is a very clearly. Very clearly is there. Next we have to stem cells is again two types. It is a two types. What are they? First one is a embryonic stem cell. Stem cells. And see it is a already completed. See just I am giving to the understanding for this flow chart. Next, adult stem cells. Okay. See here, fusion of the male and female gamete. male and female gamete. See this one, male gamete, and this one is a female gamete. Female gamete. What will happen is a fusion together. It will form the zygote. After this zygote, it is a 5 to 7 days. It is a stem cells is a forming. See here, wall of the cells. 5 to 7 days. So it is a forming the stem cells. Here after the stem cells, it is a forming the, see, after it is a cell and differentiated process is called, so it is a flourosity. Cell is a differentiated, see, number of cells is a growing. We are calling the differentiated cells. Cells is a differentiation. What will happen? That time is a biochemical. So it is a biochemical stimulation is a occurring. See on the surface of, so it is a fluoro, so it is a diplo, differentiation is a occurring. Here is a form the stimulation of cell. Cells is a stimulating. See, we have to say the, if do you know stimulation and response? For example, I will show the tamarind to you. What will happen? Immediately in your mouth is a water is a coming. Water is a coming. We are calling the, this is a stimulation. See, water is a, tamarind is a stimulation. In your mouth, water is a response. Okay. For example, we are saying to the kid, see, you come here, I will give a chocolate. See, what is chocolate is a stimulation. The kid is a coming towards us is a response. So it is a stimulation and response. That's why we have to add to the biochemical stimulations. See here, add to the biochemical stimulation. See what will happen? See, it is a, the process, see, it is a differentiated process is a calling. See, now here is a forming the different types of cells is a forming. Different types of cells. Cardiac cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, cardiac cells, nerve cells, and what is muscle cells. See here, it is a, this process is a occurring in laboratory artificially. See, chemical substance is a stimulation. It is in our body, what atmosphere is present, the atmosphere we have to give to the artificially to the these cells. The cells is a stimulation, and here forming the this like cells, this like stem cells is a forming. Okay. See here, pluripotency. What is pluripotency? Stem cells are primary type of undifferentiated cells. See, stem cells is a primary undifferentiated cells. See, with self multiplying ability. See, it is a selfly multiplying their ability and protect cells, all type of human cells. Next, we have to see the parent cells is a all type of human cells. When should stem cells be collected? When connected? See, before the beginning of differentiation on the 14th day. See what said? Before the day. See, this days. So it is the 58 days. Before the differentiated of the cells, see, we have to take these stem cells. Then it is cultured with certain biochemical stimulations. It is a biochemical stimulation we have to add. And see what said, see, as per the stimulation, stem cells can transform themselves into the, see, diploid type of cells. So it is a tissue, organ. Next we have to see the another one is a adult stem cells. Adult stem cells is a red bone marrow, adipose, connective tissue and blood. We have to learn in next session.